In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this digital tree using LSystem to POP math and pattern logic to create variations on the branches. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. I started with a constant chop for my vertical 720 by 1280 resolution, and a speed chop named rotation running at 15, and a button radio widget with a lag set to 1 for camera transitions. For the core geometry structure, I used an LSystem SOP set to 10 generations, feeding straight into a SOPto POP to get our raw point data. To drive the branch scaling, I combined a static and an animated pattern chop, mapping them to the point scale with a lookup chan pop. From there, I used a math mix pop to multiply that scale against the X and Y positions, isolating specific branches using a group pop. Perfect! The main branches are alive. For the layered details, I used select pops to branch off the main network. I applied pattern pops for randomized scaling and copied sphere pops right onto those points. For the secondary branches, I grabbed specific points with a delete pop and instanced animated tapered lines driven by a chop to pop. For the third layer, I created another select with a delete pop to make a specific selection and a line divide with a pattern pop to generate variations for the sphere instances. I merged all these pop outputs together into a geometry comp, linking its Y rotation directly to my speed chop. I applied a PBR material and passed the render through a bloom top to get that intense glow. Just copy these exact settings shown on screen. Next, I pulled my first pop network into a particle pop for that floating dust, using an animated noise pop for turbulence before closing the feedback loop. This got its own separate render pass. Finally, I built a quick moon environment using a texture mapped to a heavily displaced PBR sphere. I composited the particle and bloom passes together with an add operation. And that's it. See you on the next tutorial. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.